Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me again, Teacher Jay, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to record your computer screen with your voiceover using your PowerPoint. Okay, let's begin. Step 1. Get ready with your PowerPoint slides or presentation. Then once you are inside, our step 2 is go to the Insert tab at the top, then click it. Okay, then step 3, at the top right, you can see the icon here or the option here, screen recording. Then you're going to click that. As you can see, there are 4 options at the top. What you're going to do next for step 4 is click select area. Okay, it means that we're going to select the area that we would like to record. But to make sure that we have everything that we would like to record, then we are going to select the entire screen. Okay, then after that, step 5, you are going to click record here. Okay, then it gives you 3 seconds. It means that the recording has started already. Okay, then just play your PowerPoint. As you are presenting your work or as you are talking, your voiceover is being recorded too. Okay, then aside from that, this screen recording does not only limit to your PowerPoint presentation or slides, but if you want to go to a website or another site from your computer, for example, if you're a teacher and you want to bring your students to YouTube, for example, because you want to show to them a certain video or you want to let them see or watch a certain video here, then you also have the option to do that. Or if you want to go to a different website for some reasons, then you also have the option to do that. Okay, so it is still part of your screen recording. Okay, assuming that you are done with your screen recording, and if you want to finish it, then just bring your cursor at the top of your screen. Then you can see these icons here. Just click the second one where you can see the time is running and just click it, okay, to stop the recording. Then our next step is you have to go back to your PowerPoint presentation earlier. If you observe, your screen recording is here, okay? So if you want to review it, you can play it, okay? Our last step is to save this recorded presentation or recorded screen, and to save this is you have to right click and choose save media as, then choose the location where you would like to save it. Okay, then you change your file name if you like. Okay, so I'm going to say recorded video. Okay, then I'm going to click save. You can see right here, this tells you whether it is saved or not, and it takes time if your recorded screen is long or longer. Okay, so let's check if it is already saved. Okay, so you can see here, so recorded video, so this was the one we recorded earlier. So this means that it is already saved as MP4 or a video file. Okay, so from here you have now the option to copy this file or to share this file to your students or to wherever platform you would like to bring this or to share this. Okay,